So this is what Kev do, everybody. He pretend like he working. Check him out. Check my man out right here. Like as soon as I got ready to hop out the car, he started working, y'all. What we doing today? All right, wait. Before we get into that, let's back it up. Because I know we did that little partial video last time, but nobody knows why the Supra is down.
Follow me this way.
Okay. All right, we're going to follow him this way. It's all over the place.
So, our number 5 took a little spin around the block a couple times.
Ooh, number 5 did some donuts. And what night did this happen, Z? When number 5 took a spin around the block.
That was the night after we left Tuner Invade.
It was the night after we left Tuner's Invade.
Yep.
Who you rolling with?
I know who brought this.
He turned away real quick.
I know who brought this here. Why you turning that way? Let me walk around. Cause this is how I'm gonna start the video right here. Yep. I know who brought this.
Why you gotta be throwing out?
Why you gotta be calling me out for? Why you gotta be calling me out for?
You know we hungry.
Right. Big old McDonald's bag too, boy.
Itty bitty Kev.
Itty bitty Kev. Kev was like, yeah, you ain't seen me eat yet.
hey, it's them chicken nuggets.
It's them nuggies. Them ain't chicken nuggets, boy. It's scraps.
Yeah.
Hey, I would tell you about that story. I had a McDonald's cheeseburger, and I forgot it was in my work bag. I came back about 6 months later to look in that work bag, and I found that McDonald's cheeseburger. And but that sucker wasn't even moldy. They got so many preservatives in there, it wasn't even moldy. It was just hard. Can we air this? Is McDonald's gonna like shut us down if we put this online? I don't know. Let's go for it.
Well, I forgive this information.
Hey, y'all can't do nothing to us because we spend money with y'all, so stop playing. Kev like that. Kev probably still got chicken nuggets in his stomach from like 6 years ago because of preservatives.
No, but also the other problem is the ice cream machine broken.
So he had to get more food.
Well, you know how it is.
Yeah.
Sometimes
We
you
hungry.
just want the McFlurry and it ain't
Hey,
working,
and
bro.
they ain't gonna give it to you. So you go for the McRib instead.
That is now discontinued, okay?
Look at Kev know when they continue, when they discontinue. He got the calendar. Y'all see what that say? Woo! The project. When the last time y'all seen the legend? Y'all ain't seen this car since what? Kev, March? That's when when's the last time you had the Supra out? March? Because our show was in April. Maybe February.
Maybe February, maybe end of March, somewhere around there.
Look at it. Got that A.K.O.M elite banner on it. Sitting in the garage. So Kev, what y'all doing now, man? I know y'all putting it back together. What's going on?
Back together. Yeah, the timing, belt, brand new water pump, little tricks here and there.
All little tricks here and there. I just want y'all to know, for the record, that anytime Kev says that we doing tricks here and there, he up to no good. He on some dirt. I already know it. He on good dirt. Anytime he say that, he is on good dirt.
You can't let everything out the bag.
So what's all new? What is all new that wasn't on the car last time? So far as what I'm looking at right now is what I'm asking.
Brand new crank, brand new bearings. The whole bottom end has been redone.
Okay.
Balance.
Okay.
Cleaned. Hot tank.
This the same fuel rail you had on already? Okay.
Brand new piston rings on it. It's been bored over.
So Buddy did a good job. The machine and work. So far, what you can tell. Okay.
I would have a brand new valve cover on there, you know, but
we gotta go the extra mile. We
gotta go the extra mile.
We can't just slap anything on. Come
Right.
on, bro.
Make sure it's done
'Cause
right.
you know it takes time.
It does.
You quarter mile at a time, you 2 miles ahead. What you want me to tell you?
You should have had your Fast and the Furious jacket on when you just said that. So if we had to put a time frame on it, without the powder coating, because I know we still got to do the powder coating, as we're going to be waiting on dude, but if we had to put a time frame on having the Supra back up and running.
next week.
You serious?
I can put this together and have it running by next week.
Bro, I almost just dropped the camera. I got weak in the knees when you said that. I was over here with the wobbly legs, like what?
But there's
I
a catch to
I
it.
can slap the valve covers back on them. I can slap the turbo housing together, and I can have it running by next week.
So time is of the essence with the powder coat. If we can get that done ASAP, we can get the car back together.
It's time, it's powder coating, and hands. Hands to finesse certain things around. The more hands we have, sometimes, hey, hold this.
Hold is right.
You know what I'm saying?
So y'all can get the stuff in there.
But most of the time between me and him, it's just, hey, we can't tell people what we need done.
Right.
It's more like, hey, hold it.
Cause just two of y'all. I get it. And I don't want y'all to think that they only work on 2 JZs. They really big into the Honda motors too. Real big. Oh wait, see, he don't want me to say nothing, y'all. Shh. He don't want you to know. They know how to build a mean Honda motor too.
We do not
Discriminate? You ain't discriminating?
Hondas. We just like them done right.
Right, exactly.
We're not the ricey Honda type.
Right. But if you're gonna build them, they gotta be done right. I'm with you on that. So what would y'all say is cheaper to build? Honda motors or LS motors? Even more than LS's?
Honda all day long.
Yeah.
All day long. Cause why? Cause they're cheap.
And it's the parts everywhere.
They're affordable. You can get parts anywhere, and you can make decent amount of power on it.
TK actually just posted something not too long ago. I think it was him, where his club down there went out to this big international race, and a Honda run 5 seconds.
That's stupid.
Yeah.
Cause I see them. I mean, at the racetrack, I see them running 6s. You know, they run 6s all the time. But 5, when you get up under that 6 number and you hit 5s, bro, that's god awful fast. But I'm saying 6 in a Honda, yeah, but 5 in any car is fast. I don't care what you driving. But a 5 out of a 4-banger, I gotta give it to you. That's muscle. I don't care what nobody
You also
says.
gotta remember those aren't street cars. That's not cars you're gonna catch.
It's
on
still
the
a
street.
4-cylinder that's doing a 5-second run, bro. That's amazing. Bigger is not always better.
Yeah.
He just hit him with the yep. See.
Burning out, I can't see nobody. I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that